Thank you for purchasing a Harvest Sweep kit from Leading Edge Industries. This video will include step-by-step instructions for installation on a John Deere 600 series corn head. Lay out the Harvest Sweep chains with the curved portion of the paddle facing up. To determine whether a chain is a left or right chain, refer to the markings stamped on the top of the paddle. To begin assembling the chains and brushes, separate the left and right impact sweeps. Refer to the top of the sweeps for left or right markings. The straight edge of the impact sweep is always oriented toward the chain link. Assemble the three provided components using a 1/4 inch carriage bolt, front pusher plate, and left or right impact sweep. Be sure the steel pusher plate is installed with the arrow or Harvest Sweep emblem pointing up. Use the provided lock nuts to secure the impact pad and pusher plate to the chain. Begin disassembly by releasing tension in order to remove the chain. Next, the chain guide can be removed in order to access the deck plates. Remove the stock deck plates and install the Harvest Sweep deck plates. Be sure to push the Harvest Sweep plates up against the gearbox before tightening to close any gap for the corn to fall through. Secure the hydraulic deck plate using the chain guide. To set the deck plate minimum opening, begin by closing the hydraulic adjustments all the way. Move the stationary plate until there's a 7/8 inch gap. Be sure to measure to ensure proper adjustment. Now the stationary plate can be secured using the chain guide. Install both assembled chains with the paddles in a staggered formation. Retension the chains according to manufacturer specifications. When installed, the brushes should be flat and tight against the deck plate with a small amount of bristle flex. Rotate the header by hand for 1 chain revolution to seat bristles and check for clearance issues. Particularly, check the corners of the end rows for clearance. If needed, make modifications to allow for clearance.